Good morning, my dear students. Now, today I am going to discuss sequential control. Now, there is a sequence that how it will be evaluated in the interpreter, and this will be more clear to you with this example. To calculate the area, it is area of rectangle. We have to consider length and breadth. So first we will take length and breadth from the user, and then we will find the area. Yes, this is the question. Length and breadth of the rectangle, then calculate its area. Now first, length should be of integer type. Length int input, enter the length, then b breadth int input, enter the breadth, area is equal to L into B. Now print the message in this single quotes. The area is the variable area. Now we will run this code. I have entered 12 and 6, so my answer is 72. So this is the way by which we will write the program in Python programming language. Now with the help of few more examples, I am going to discuss the concept, and if we will resize this screen, then it will be more convenient for us to write and get the answer easily. Yes, now it is okay. Now remove this quotation mark and paste it here, so that the upper part is our program. Now the next is, I am going to discuss the conditional statement. It is used to check the condition among two or more conditions. It is done with the help of if and else. Means if the condition is true, if part will be evaluated, and if the condition is false, then else part will be evaluated. So this is the question, that if the number is less than 200 or more than 200, this we have to tell. Now in this we can write num one variable is equal to int input, enter the number, and with the help of if condition we will give the statement like, if num is less than 200, then we will use the colon symbol. This will define the block. Colon symbol, this will be the block of this. So colon, and then print. If it is true, then only this print statement will be executed. Remember this point. If this if is false, here I have written if this is false, then downside else part will be printed. So else part will be printed only when the upper part, if part, will be false. This is the main thing here. So if number is less than 200, then if part will be printed, it is less than 200. If it is not less than 200, then upper part will be printed, lower part will be printed, it is more than 200. So you can see it is less than 200, the upper message it is showing. Now give one more number, 210. Sorry, by mistake, some other thing it is. Now run this program again, and then again input the value. Some other thing is pasted by mistake. Now run this code again. Yes, this is 210. So it is more than 200, this will come. So by this method it will be convenient for us to understand that how it is working. Means if upper part is true, then only it will be evaluated. If it is false, then downside will be evaluated. Now few more examples, like program to check the number in negative or positive. So how it will be checked? If number is less than 0, then it is negative. If it is more than 0, then it is positive. Now num is equal to int input, enter the number, if num is less than 0, then colon, and in this part give the print it is negative, only negative you can write negative. Now in the else part write down num is, if it is more than 0, then it will come this part. So print positive. Now -5, then it is negative, and if I am giving 6, then it is positive. So this is the if and else condition we can give. If one part is true, then only it will be evaluated, otherwise else part will be evaluated. Now if more than two conditions are there, means 7 8 conditions are there, then if and else will not be the good thing. That we have to use if, elif. We will use number of times elif, 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 and then after we will use else. Finally we will use else. Now in this we will use if, elif, and else. Now two programs I will show you over this today, that how it is working. One I am showing with number, and the other I will show with character. Both are acceptable in Python programming language. Like program to write the day number, and we have to print the day name. For example, if I am giving 1, then Monday should come. If I am giving 2, Tuesday should come. If I am giving 3, then Wednesday should come. So first number I am taking, n is equal to int, input, enter the day number, and if I am writing if n is equal 1, block, colon I have used to create a block. Now in this I am going to print Monday. 1 is for Monday, and we will not use else here, we will use elif here, we will use elif here. N is equal to, then I am printing Tuesday. Like this I will write 3 for Wednesday, 4 for Thursday. Like this I am writing. I'm repeating the same process again and again. I'm writing the I'm changing the number only. I'm writing the same thing. You can see I'm giving the number for every days. Six for Friday, sorry, five for Friday, six for Saturday, 7 for Sunday. And finally give else if numbers are not matching with all these, then it will give you the message to give the valid input. You can see I have given few numbers, and according to the number it is showing me the output. As I am giving the number, it is showing the date. If I am giving the wrong number, then it will tell me to enter the correct date. Now program to use character for matching. So this is also very easy concept, only the difference is that we will use the character in single quotes. As in integer we are not using single quotes, but in character we will use single quotes. Now code is equal to, I am taking one value input. I am not writing integer because this is not integer, these are the characters. So for character I will use input, because by default this input function will accept the characters only, the strings only. If code is equal single quote, the color code which you want to print, that V I have used for violet. So if user will give V, then it will be matched with the code and violet will be printed. L, if you can give any other code, this is up to you. No sequence is present here, so I have given I is also the color indigo. Now L, if code any other, I am giving B. So this is for blue or black, you can write whatever you want. The message which you will give, that will be printed only. Now for 3-4 more colors I am repeating the same process so that it should be clear, and if you will input the wrong code, then it will show you the message that we will write in else part. So whatever the message we are writing, that only it is showing, but it will match the code character which we are entering at that place. Now why I have given for yellow, Now in elif, O for orange I have given, in elif code, R for red. Many more you can use like this. If you know some more colors also, then you can give here. And in else part you can give the message that you want to print if no code is matching. Now you can see, if I will enter G, then it is showing green. Enter the code, I have given R, then it is showing red. Now H, you know this I have not used in my program, so it should give me, please input the correct code. Student, this was the class today, and I have shown you this example to understand the concept. You have to read the book, and then we will discuss the question answers. Thank you, students.